Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, and now we are here to present an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be seen as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our Stock has ranked VOO as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.35. Now, let's take a look at the ETF's performance during this period. The ETF has experienced a gain of 5.71%. This translates to an average return of 0.17% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth is anticipated. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 16.9% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 12.46% to 18.73%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected change of about 5.65%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance may vary between negative 14.51% and positive 5.92% over the next year. In monetary terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $491.02 and $608.37. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, VOO ETF price up 0.197% on Monday. The VOO ETF price gained 0.197% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 14th of July, 2025. The price rose from $573.22 to $574.35. During this trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.575%, reaching a low of $571.60 and a high of $574.89. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.31% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, volume has increased on the last day along with the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with 361,000 more shares traded than the day before. In total, 5 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.66 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $576.25, while the lowest price was $442.80. Currently, the price is 0.33%, or $1.90, below the 52-week high of $576.25, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Today, significant developments within the S&P 500 are drawing attention to VOO, an exchange-traded fund that tracks this index. Effective Friday, the trade desk will replace ANSYS in the S&P 500 after Synopsys' acquisition of ANSYS closes, potentially boosting market sentiment around technology stocks. Stocks like the trade desk, now part of the S&P, are expected to see increased buying interest, which can positively impact VOO. Meanwhile, strategists have lifted their year-end price targets for the S&P 500, with forecasts suggesting levels could reach as high as 6,600. This optimistic outlook reflects confidence in the market's momentum and could spur further investment in VOO in the short term. However, uncertainty looms as President Trump has threatened new tariffs on Mexico and the European Union, which could recalibrate market dynamics and investor sentiment. Such geopolitical tensions might weigh on VOO and the broader index in the immediate term as investors digest potential impacts on corporate earnings. Additionally, concerns around underperforming small-cap stocks and discretionary sectors have been raised, but analysts suggest that this should not deter equity exposure, indicating longer-term resilience in U.S. equities. Overall, while short-term volatility may persist due to geopolitical risks, the long-term outlook for VOO remains supported by strong S&P 500 fundamentals and positive technological advancements. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the fund. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two indicators, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at $573.11 and $555.90. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 10, 2025, and so far it has fallen by 0.163%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal pivots. Sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 55 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 51 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 56 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 44 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 33 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $554.95. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is considered quite low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $3.28, which is approximately 0.575%. Over the last week, the ETF has recorded a daily average volatility of 0.563%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $574.48. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $554.95. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $554.60, which is a decline of 3.44%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very low daily fluctuations, indicating a low level of risk. However, the relative strength index for the past 14 days is at 81, which significantly elevates the risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for VOO ETF to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 15th of July, we expect VOO to open lower by approximately 73 cents, starting at $573.61. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.